I'm Deb Manzo, my husband Vinny, and we live in Salem.
We heard about the recycling program through a radio ad, and I mentioned to my wife, and she went on the internet, got more information. The wife decides to buy all new appliances, and our dishwasher went. She decides to buy all new appliances: dishwasher, stove, kit, refrigerator. So we had that down here for about a year or so. We used to put stuff in it for the holidays and stuff, but it's just me and her. We don't buy that much stuff, so we decided to just get rid of it.
We did learn about some additional programs, and we'll take a look at what we've got and whether or not we can take advantage of it.
My favorite part is that people came, took the refrigerator, and didn't have to do anything about it, and they took care of it. Came with a truck, pulled it out, got on the truck, and left. And I didn't have to lift a finger. Get to use my garage again.